Yo, welcome to my channel. Today we have a product called Deodor Pro. I've been using this product for a long time. It really removes every smell possible that you may have in a vehicle. I'm going to demonstrate for you, but stay to the end to watch the video that can give you better instruction. Let's go!
We need more. It's leaning to the more water in there. Oh, that's good. Blue side down. Okay.
Do you want to keep your air fresh at home, in the car, on the boat, or somewhere else? Yeah, a common problem. But now you have a super solution. Cochrane's Deodor Pro. It's safe and easy to use. Open the kit, remove the instructions in Deodor Pro packet, fill hot water up to the fill line, open the Deodor Pro packet, remove the deodorizing insert, place the blue side into the water, leave the enclosed area for the treatment for a minimum of 6 hours, ideally overnight. Now you have fresh air. Get your Cochrane's Deodor Pro by visiting the website www.cochraneautodetailing.net and calling the service expert. Cochrane's Automotive Detailing. We care about you.